Only 10% of people can guess all these logos correctly. Are you one of them? Let's find out. Welcome back to Quiz Blitzer. Here is another exciting brain-twisting challenge. You'll see the logo and have to guess before the timer ends. Let's get started. First one is... it's Subway Surfers. Second one is... it's Temple Run. Third one is... it's Candy Crush Saga. Number 4 is... it's 8-Ball Pool. Number 5 is... it's Angry Birds. Number 6 is... it's Hill Climb Racing. Next one is... it's Fortnite. Next one is... it's PUBG. Next one is... it's Free Fire. Next one is... it's Mobile Legends. Next one is... it's Valorant. Next one is... it's Tetris. Next one is... it's Genshin Impact. Next one is... it's Roblox. Next one is... it's Minecraft. Next one is... it's Among Us. Next one is... it's Rocket League. Next one is... it's Brawl Stars. Next one is... it's Mario. Next one is... it's Sonics. Next one is... it's Pac-Man. Next one is... it's Street Fighter. Next one is... it's Tekken. Next one is... it's Mortal Kombat. Next one is... it's Need for Speed. Next one is... it's Grand Theft Auto, GTA. Next one is... it's Counter-Strike. Next one is... it's Clash of Clans. Next one is... it's Clash Royale. Next one is... it's Shadow Fight. Next one is... it's Asphalt 9. Next one is... it's Pokemon. Next one is... it's League of Legends. Next one is... it's Dota 2. Next one is... it's Elden Ring. Next one is... it's Destiny 2. Next one is... it's Battlefield. Next one is... it's Rainbow Six Siege. Next one is... it's Overwatch. Next one is... it's Halo. Next one is... it's Warframe. Next one is... it's Crysis. Next one is... it's Titanfall. Next one is... it's God of War. Next one is... it's The Last of Us. Next one is... it's Uncharted. Next one is... It's Assassin's Creed. Next one is... It's Tomb Raider. Next one is... It's The Witcher. Last one is... It's Ghost of Tsushima. Great job, Legends! Comment below how many logos you guessed correctly. And don't cheat. If you had fun, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next mind-blowing challenge.